Pakistani workers. How they make washing machines by hand. They're handmade drum washing machines. How is it different from our home washing machines? The worker takes a ruler and gestures, and then hit it directly with a hammer. 2 holes were hammered out continuously, and the edge of the stainless steel plate directly folded up 1 centimeter, then folded both sides, form a round simple shape. I think this is the shell of the washing machine. After handling the shell, he picked up a flat iron, fold it in the middle and break it directly. Take the hammer and hit the flat iron. Soon the flat iron formed a circle. They brought another machine. It seems to be pressing the edge of the shell. The upper and lower ends were pressed in different ways. After the shell was crimped, they just hammered the flat iron welded together. Then they knocked off the welding slag. The workers put the iron ring directly on the edge of the roller. Use a hammer to beat it firmly. Then they measured its diameter in detail. Then they punched some holes in the side of the roller. Put some screws directly. Then put on a triangle iron fixed. Installed 4 wheels in the round base. Next see a bunch of gears and drive shafts. Then put the drive shaft on the lathe and turned it up directly. A few minutes later, a new chopped drive shaft was machined. Then it was put into the pre-prepared gear tray. The workers put the gear plate directly into the bottom of the machine body, fixed on top of the triangle iron, and bring a piece of wood plate screwed. Then tighten it with a screwdriver. Lay the roller side flat on the ground. Take out a motor and put it in from the bottom. Connect the power cord and install the switch button. Then plug in the socket. Test the motor operation is normal. Install a hook on the outer wall of the roller, used to hang the external power cord. Rolling simple internal also installed on the 2 drive wheels. After putting on the belt, let the motor and transmission system connected, and then bring a basin in the pre-drilled holes to install the hose. Then put it directly into the inside of the roller. Apply grease evenly on the drive shaft. Put on the protective cover and tighten it by hand. Then use a wrench to strengthen it. Then take out the wave wheel piece. Put it on the drive shaft. Tighten the screws to secure it in place. Put the decorative cover on the top. Then pull out the pre-connected drainage pipe from the bottom. Finally, the inspector labeled, and then bring a large pot lid on top. Automatic rolling simple washing machine is ready. The following by the water for testing. Plug in the power. Looks no different from the general washing machine. And then put a hair coin down to test. It also seems very practical. Comments section partners. Do you have any ideas about this production?